Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K, and I will compare this camera with his little brother Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. And the question is here, should we upgrade to the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K? HabibReshad here from QTube.xyz. As we know, the bigger sensor, the more shallow depth of field in our picture. But this is not 100% true. In this video, I am going to share my thoughts about these two amazing cameras. It contains 3 pros and cons about these two amazing cameras. Okay, then let's start from cons. The first and very important point is the budget. As we know, budget is very important, and you have to spend 1000 more bucks to buy the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K over the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. However, at the end you will get same resolution, same quality and same battery life. Just only you have the 6K RAW image, and this is not the all you need. Second, for 12-bit RAW you need more space and very fast card. Obviously, the camera 6K need a very fast card to handle the 6K RAW image, and the 6K RAW image is 12-bit. In this case, you have to buy the latest and very fast card to handle this RAW image. Third, both camera can shoot incredible HDR image. Then why we should upgrade? HDR, high dynamic range. What is that? The distance between lightest and darkest part of an image is HDR. We saw some image, they have the lightest part and the darkest part. This is HDR. And in both camera we have same dynamic range. It is about 13 stop. In all mirrorless camera, there is one camera, and this is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K and 4K that have 13 stop of dynamic range, and this is very amazing. Enough for the cons. Let's talk about the pros. I'm pretty sure for those who really want 12-bit 6K image RAW in this price point, there is no camera in the market. Then let's get an 6K image RAW from the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K, and this is really amazing. Everyone who wants a 6K image that produce more color space for the editors, you can edit the image in very good way. Okay, it's time for our sponsor. Let's magic together. Sensor. The first handheld 6K cinema camera that have Super 35mm sensor. This is very amazing, and this is cinema camera, you know. It produces HDR 12-bit RAW image. For those who want an image with high dynamic range, this is all you need. Second, EF mount. Let's suppose you have already an EF mount lens, that is maybe cinema lens or photography lens, and you want to buy a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K with a Metabone speed booster. It will cost you around 2000 bucks. Then why you are not trying to go spend 400 bucks more to get the 6K version of the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K? It has lots of benefit, like you have bigger sensor, you have 6K 12-bit image RAW, and very important, the EF lens mount. you can mount the older lens that you have with you. It's all about benefit. You have 6K image RAW. That's very amazing. Finally, the B-RAW. You have here internally 12-bit B-RAW image. It's Blackmagic RAW image. For those who really wants to record the RAW image, they need to buy an external recorder for other brand of cameras. And here you have internally. It means you have more space for color grading, for post-production, and recording of high dynamic range image. It's a cinema camera, truly cinema camera. You have the Super 35mm sensor, more shallow depth of field in your image, and the EF mount. A cinema camera is truly like this. This is all for now. If you think I missed something, you can write in the comment below. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel and share the video with your friend. At the end, be creative.